Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Happy Ugadi wishes to all my viewers and subscribers. May this Telugu year blessed with good health and prosperity. In this video I've come up to show you one more beautiful designing on the neckline, which is so simple using these beads work. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. I had already highlighted the neckline with the chain ball lace and the pearl, and next I'd be extending this design using rice green beads. Along with the sugar beads, I'd be inserting both at a time and giving the stitch in this way. Next to this I'd be joining the flower ring of gold color, also using here 2 mm gold metallic bead in the center of this flower ring. The complete designing on the neckline has done with the gold work. You can also replace with the pearls or any contrasted colors kundan. It's completely optional. To get the richness look in this pattern, I'd be using here gold beads and rice grain beads. Now on this tip I'd be joining gold pipes of small size like this in the shape of V, and in the center I'd be again joining the golden of 2 mm size, and on this tip I'd be joining 3 sugar beads. Maintaining the equal gap and equal distance, we have to continue this pattern using the rice grain beads and the flower rings. It's been exclusively designed the customized pattern, which is so expensive, but spending less amount and less time, you can design it easily at home. And trying this pattern on already stitched blouse will convert into new designer blouse, and will never get bored of wearing this type of designer patterns. All these materials which I've used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. This is how the design will be followed on the neckline, and once completed the beads work would look like this. And now I'd be giving the stitches on this chain ball lace also with the pearl lace all at a time. Like this we have to give an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace also. Now on the leftover space on the blouse, I'd be creating the designer booty. For that I'd be stitching here the designer flower rings first, along with the metallic beads in the center of this flower ring. 2 I'd be stitching here vertically. The first one is done along with this gold metallic bead. Now towards the sides also I'll be joining the golden bead on both the sides. And on these tips I'd be joining again the rice grain beads with the sugar bead all at a time in the shape of V like this. This is how I'd also stitch on other 3 sides. The same way I'll stitch the designer booties on this dotted marks. And towards the sleeve openings also I'll carry this same neckline designing. Once completed, the pattern would look like this. This is towards the another side of the neckline, the complete pattern with the booties, and on the sleeves this is how it looks. Really friends, this type of designing is so simple and easy. You can also try easily at home following these instructions. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.